Hey guys, so we want to go through and show you how we pack our backpacks for 1 to 3, maybe possibly 5 days hunt or backpacking trip. So first, we start with the larger items that you might not need as much, like the tent. So Tom's going to put that in there.
Put that off to the side. And down low.
Then we got the tent poles, the sleeping bag.
Also put that down low.
And we use a stuff sack that's waterproof because we both run down bags and we don't want to run the risk of getting our bags wet. Got the sleeping pad, 1, 2 pairs of socks, maybe a little change of clothes, something, not very much. We got game bags, all different sizes, depending on, so you can organize your meat certain ways that you want. Camera bag. And then in these front pockets is the possible pouch and the toilet paper, because those are things that we might need to access quickly, but usually you're not using them too much, so they're not going to go in the lid or anything like that. And then also we got the jet boil, spoon, and the fuel. And put that all in one kind of side pocket to make it easy all in one spot. It's got the tent stakes. And then
We'll close that up.
So now in the top pocket, we got the rain cover for the backpack. It's raining hard. Some odorless deodorant because this last summer we went on a trip and we all smelled pretty delicious. Got the GPS, the bino adapter for the tripod. We got the water bottle that goes in the side pocket.
Do that.
Tripod. Spotting scope, sorry. Spotting scope in the front pocket, and we're using the tripod right now, but it goes usually in the side pocket. And the other side pocket has the water bladder. It's kind of a pain right now to put it in with no water, so we're just going to leave it out. But we like to try to distribute the weight.
Put it like right in here and try and distribute your weight from left to right.
You don't want to be walking lopsided.
Yep.
Alright. Got our fancy selfie stick.
We'll put this stuff in the lid up on top here. Let's turn around so you guys can see.
And then also up in there we got freeze-dried Mountain House meals. Chili mac beef, my personal favorite.
It's nice putting your food up here because this lid pops off, so if you get to camp you can get your tent set up and throw the lid out and all your food's at camp, and you can go hiking with your backpack without all your stuff.
Minimize your weight. And then, oh, we got this as well.
Oh, I usually put those in here too.
Those are hydration pack or tablets. Give you some electrolytes, especially if it's hot out. You're using a lot of your energy. And then a good thing to do, and the reason that they have so many straps on the backpacks, is you really want to tighten everything down, compact it so you don't have loose weight jostling you around. And it just makes you tighter, smaller, and it helps to distribute that weight better. It makes it more comfortable hike for you.
So I like to get them all clipped together first before I start tightening anything. Just get them all together. Now I'll start usually from the middle here. Start pulling them all down. then you take the lid down. And there you have it.
I gotta get it all adjusted how I like it.
That's pretty much it. Make sure everything's tight so it's not moving around on your back, and then get it adjusted to fit you as well.
Hey guys, if you like that video, you like what we're about, please make sure to go and subscribe to our channel. Like the videos, dislike whatever you felt, but if you dislike it, please leave a comment giving us advice on how we can improve. And we're all about learning, growing, and sharing that information with others. So if you have any special requests or things you want to learn about, please shoot us a message on Facebook, on Instagram, personal message on YouTube, or email us at unboundedpursuit@gmail.com. And we'll do our best to gather the information for you and try to interpret it the best that we can and get it back to you to help you learn.